Hello guys, welcome to my Advent channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix could not refresh feed error in your Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing couldn't refresh feed in your Instagram, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to check your Instagram is up to date or not. Tap on Play Store, then find Instagram. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, then tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, then find your Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. If you know your Instagram user ID and password, then you can tap on clear storage. If you don't know your Instagram user ID and password, then you don't do this step. If you know your Instagram user ID and password, you can read this one. This app's data include files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. After reading this carefully, just tap on delete. After that, then go back, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to log out and log in your Instagram ID. If you have done clear data, it will be automatically logged out. You need to log in again. After doing all these steps, still you are facing the issue, then you need to do one and last final step is you just need to open your Chrome browser. Then you need to find your Instagram older version. Then select the first option. You can see all the older versions of the Instagram are listed here. Download any one from here and log in your ID. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix couldn't refresh feed problem on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.